If you want to delete documents or any files from the Files app on your iPhone permanently, don't worry, I've got you covered. Whether you're clearing up space or delete some data forever, then watch this tutorial. Here's how to do it. How to delete documents or files from the Files app on iPhone. Open the Files app, navigate to the file location, browse to the folder or location where the file you want to delete is stored. Select the files, tap Select in the top right corner of the screen, tap on the files you want to delete. You can select multiple files if needed. Delete the files. Once the files are selected, tap the trash icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation pop-up may appear. Tap Delete to confirm the deletion. Empty the recently deleted folder. Deleted files are moved to the recently deleted folder. To permanently delete them, tap Browse at the bottom of the Files app. Then go to Recently Deleted. Tap Select, choose the files and tap Delete again, or tap Delete All to remove everything permanently. Additional tips. Lastly, just make sure that there was no backup for this file you wanted to delete it permanently. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily delete any document or files from the Files app on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.